Greetings, Liz here, and I'm so pleased to welcome you to the launch of our end of 2021 giving campaign, Becoming. Today, I'm asking for your support by making a contribution towards supporting more students, teachers, and women in their journey to becoming successful, contributing members of South Sudanese communities. You can help them reach their full potential through increased access to high quality education and leadership opportunities through Hope for Our Young's various programs. After an entire year of school shutdowns due to COVID-19, we welcomed 2,500 students and 60 teachers back to learning across our 3 Aryang network of schools, Mading, Nyeth, and Aryang Primary. Schools opened just in time for Aryang School to celebrate a very significant milestone. This past May marked the 10th year that kids have been learning inside of a classroom instead of under a tree. Since opening the classroom doors in 2011, close to 400 students have graduated, leaving with a primary school certificate. Many are the first generation in their family with literacy skills, and students are now leaving with the necessary tools for continued learning in high school and beyond, and creating ripples of change and development in the community. As we close out this year, we're strategizing ways to strengthen and expand our efforts in 2022. Help us reach our goal of $20,000 by December 31st. Your support will help us raise the funds that will enable us to launch our programs into next year and allow us to support even more students, teachers, and women. With these funds, we want to add more scholars to our high school sponsorship program. We want to help Akwach start her tailoring business and open a training center in Aryang Market. And we want to provide the necessary supplemental salaries to our teachers in order for them to focus on teaching in the classroom. And we want to support students with the necessary learning materials such as chalk, books, paper, and menstrual hygiene kits for our girls. A donation of any size will go a long way in supporting more in 2022. Help our students become who they want to be by helping them reach their goals. On behalf of Gabriel, Hope for Our Young, and myself, we thank you so much for your continued support.